Cash App reward games do not all pay at the same speed, because payout timing depends on the app, the reward method, and whether your completed tasks are verified before you can withdraw. By the end, you'll know 7 Cash App reward games to compare by payout speed, what affects payment timing, and how to avoid delays when claiming rewards. Section 1 is how payout speed actually works. Most reward games do not send money instantly after every action. The usual process is completing a task, waiting for the app to verify your progress, reaching the required reward amount, and then requesting a payout. The fastest apps are usually the ones with simple reward systems and clear withdrawal steps. The first app to check is Misplay. Misplay uses a points-based reward system where users earn rewards by playing supported games and completing gameplay activity. Before starting, check the available redemption options because payout choices can vary. The second app is Rewarded Play. Rewarded Play rewards users with points from gameplay milestones. Your payout speed depends on how quickly you complete qualifying game activities and whether your points are correctly credited. The third option is Swagbucks. Swagbucks includes gaming offers along with other earning activities. Each offer has its own requirements, so review the completion rules before spending time on a game. Section 2 covers more reward apps to compare. The fourth option is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars provides different earning opportunities, including game-related tasks. Payment timing depends on completing eligible activities and following the AP's reward instructions. The fifth option is Cashkick. Cashkick uses task-based rewards, and some available tasks involve games. Check the offer details before starting because completion requirements can differ. The sixth option is Solitaire Cash. Games like Solitaire Cash use competitive gameplay and reward systems. Review the app rules, entry requirements, and withdrawal process before playing. The seventh option is Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash uses a game-based reward model where users can earn through gameplay activities. Check the payout rules and eligibility requirements before expecting rewards. Section 3 is how to get payouts faster. Use the same account throughout the entire reward process. Complete tasks exactly as listed because missing a requirement can prevent tracking. Check your reward history after completing a task to confirm that progress has been recorded. Avoid switching devices or accounts while completing offers because tracking issues can happen. The key points are simple. Cash App reward games have different payout speeds, verification affects how quickly rewards arrive, and checking the withdrawal rules first helps prevent delays. Your next step is choosing one reward game, reading its payout requirements, and tracking your progress from the first task. If this guide helped you compare Cash App games by payout speed, like the video and subscribe for more money app guides.